Hi Crafty Friends, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, guys, and it's a beautiful one because you guys know that I love mermaids and fairies. And this one is called Seelie Strawberry Fae by Heather R. Hitchman. Okay, and it is a round, as you can see. It comes in a very shiny box. Scan me to unlock for 10% off. And then in the back, it just basically tells you how it works, what's in the kit in English, French, and Spanish. Okay, so let's open this baby up. So what do we know about Heather R. Hitchman? Well, she is an independent artist who is, she's working from Florida, but she's originally from the UK, okay? And she's definitely into mystical and fantasy. And I believe she's got 5 paintings at Diamond Art Club, which is this one, Seelie Strawberry Fae is one of them. The other one is the Filigree Stag, Witty the Owl, and the Young Mermicorn, which is like a half unicorn and half mermaid. I think she has another one, which I can't remember. But anyway, okay, so what's in the kit? So all the kits come with 2 stickers. You have a small kit, a small sticker that you can peel, and you could put this in your logbook, or you could put this on the bottom or the top of the box. And here is the toolkit, and the toolkit, as we all know, is always a little surprise. So let's see if I can get this open. Whew, I'm sweaty, guys. I was running errands, so I'm a little hot. Okay. This comes with resealable bags, just in case you don't have the containers. You could actually put the drills in here, okay? And then you have some wax in a heart-shaped container. There's 2 of them in there, I believe, yep. And then you peel this, because it's got a plastic, so you peel it back, and that's how you take your diamond pen. You press down, you turn, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's red, and that's the wax. And that's what's going to help you pick up the drills and place them on the painting, on the canvas. Okay, and it also comes with a comfort grip. Let's see if we can get it in. Sometimes we can, and sometimes we can't. This is a can't. So let's try the other way. Aha, that's easy. All right, so this is supposed to help you with your hands, especially if you suffer from arthritis. Okay, this is a cover minder, and it's basically a magnet. All the paintings come with a plastic covering. You peel the plastic covering back, you put this on top of the plastic, and then you put the magnet underneath the canvas. It snaps, and it holds the plastic back while you're diamond painting. Okay, I think it's a seashell. It's pretty color. And of course, the pen. This is a single placer, and these are multi-placer. So this is a 7, and this is, I believe, a 4. So you can actually pick up 4 drills at a time, and here's 7 drills. So you can actually go a little faster. Why not, right? And then this is the tray, and this is the washi tape. I love washi tape, guys. It's just basically decorative tape, and you could put this around the painting. See how pretty that is? I love the colors. Actually, you know, this is perfect. It matches the colors on the painting. I tell you, they think of everything, guys. All right, let's put this aside. And all the paintings come in a plastic covering, so when it's traveling, you know, it doesn't get ruined. And also, if you're not going to work on it, you could actually put it back in the plastic. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. I always say, do what makes you happy. Why not? Oops, a daisy. Okay, let's get this baby out. Let's see, we got the drills. Let's look at that first. Okay, here's the other sticker. Look how beautiful she is, guys. Wow. Okay, so it's called Seelie, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Seelie Strawberry Fae by Heather R. Hitchman. So you can put this in your journal, and you put down the start date, the day that you start the painting, and then when you finish the painting. Okay, and then it comes with pre-cut stickers, and these stickers you could actually put them on your containers or not. And it's got 48 colors. This is just a thank you for your purchase, what's included in the kit, tips and tricks, and so on. Okay, we don't need that right now. These are the drills, as you can see. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, here it is. Okay, so it tells you on the sticker, it tells you the name of the painting. So just in case you separate it, you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to that beautiful painting. Okay, so let's bring back the canvas. Let's move all this out of the way because we're gonna need space. All right, the canvas from Diamond Art Club, guys, you guys know it's very, very velvety soft. Okay, it's got scallop edges, which we like because it actually prevents from fraying, you know, like little strings coming apart. You don't want that to happen, right? So yeah, so I'm just gonna unroll it, and then I'm gonna roll it this way because we can, because the canvas is made from heavy duty, I think it's called tarpaulin fabric for extra strength. Okay, on the top it says "Duo makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club." It's got a picture of a diamond. Okay, I'm gonna unroll. Oh my god, guys, she is just gorgeous. Her face, wow. All right, at the bottom of the painting it has a picture. It says DAC, which is Diamond Art Club, Seelie Strawberry Fae, 22 inches by, oh sorry, you can't see that, sorry about that, 22 inches by 28 inches, which is 55.8 centimeters by 70.6 centimeters. And there goes the name of the artist, because it's licensed work, Heather R. Hitchman, Diamond Art Club. And then in the middle, it just basically says take 10 for 10% on your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And then over here, you have the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards with every order. And all these paintings also have 2 legends, okay? Let's move the glare. All right, so we have a legend on the upper left-hand side, and then the other one is on the bottom right-hand side. So let's just look at the one on the top. So I use the legend. Some people do, some people don't. It tells you basically that it has 48 colors. Then these are the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place the drills. And then the color code is the DMC code. By looking at this, it basically tells you that you have 2 ABs, and ABs are Aurora Borealis, which means it's just a drill with an extra shine to them. And then it also has, oh wow, it also has 1 fairy dust diamonds. Okay, and those they look like they have like glitter on them. They're very, very pretty. And also has two, not 1, but 2 special diamonds. Wow, I wonder if it's going to be on the crown. Okay, so now let's look at this beauty. Wow, guys, she is, look at her face. All right, first of all, as you can see, the background is black, so that's going to be color blocking. It's 310. I don't mind a little bit of color blocking, so I don't mind this at all. Color blocking means that it's going to be the same drill, same color for a while. Okay, now let's look at this beauty. She's basically a fae, another way to say fairy. She's a fairy. And what I love about her, of course, what I love about fairies is their wings. Okay, I can't wait to decorate the wings. I love they're sort of, yeah, they're sort of see-through. Very pretty. And I love her hair and the color of her hair. It's like a rosy color to it. And the hair is so long that it's wrapping around her body. And then you have like leaves fluttering. And then of course she is, on her head, she has a beautiful crown. But if you look at her, and it's very, very clear, guys, the rendering is amazing. But if you look at her, she sort of looks sad. She has like a sad look to her. I love her long eyelashes, you know, very, very beautiful. Look at her hair goes all the way down here. I'm going to bring it up so you can see. Look how clear that is. Wow. And this obviously looks like it has a little bit of both color blocking, which is in the background, and confetti in the middle. Let me bring her up so you can see her face. Look at that beauty. And her hair, oh my gosh, I just love it in the crown. Okay, so let's bring out the drills. And by the way, before I forget, the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. So I'm going to bring out the drills. All right, let's begin. So 310 is black, guys. And yeah, this is for the background. So I believe we have 7 of these. Wonderful. Okay, so let's put this one over here. So we got 7 of black. 347 is salmon, very dark. 356 is terracotta, medium. I love all these colors, by the way, guys. 400 is mahogany, dark. 434 is brown, light. 435 is brown, very light. 436 is tan. Okay, let's move this. I think we can move this a little bit over here. Slide these down because we need the space. 437 is tan, light. And 471 is avocado green, very light. 501 is blue green, dark, absolutely gorgeous. 520 is fern green, dark. 640 is beige gray, very dark. 738 is tan, very light. And 739 is tan, ultra, very light. 833, very little of this one, it's garden olive, light. 844 is beaver gray, ultra dark. And 898 is coffee brown, very dark. 918 is red copper, dark. 924, I did not write it down. 924, it's like a blue green color. 926 is gray green, medium. 930 is antique blue, dark. Lots of blues and greens in this, guys. That's why I love it. 931 is antique blue, medium. 932 antique blue, light. So all these here are all antique blue, dark, medium, and light. 937 avocado green, medium. And 954 Nile green. 3052 is green gray, medium. 3064 is desert sand. Very little of this one. 3072 is beaver gray, very light. 3345 hunter green, dark. Almost finished. 3328 salmon, dark. 3371, we have 3 bags and it's black brown. 3712 is salmon, medium. Should we do the next line? Yeah, I guess. 3713 is salmon, very light. 3721 is shell pink, dark. 3722 shell pink, medium. 3772 is desert sand, very dark. 3777 is terracotta, very dark. 3778 is terracotta, light. 3787 is brown gray, dark. 3799 is pewter gray, very dark. I'm gonna put this one here. And these are the last right here. 3857 is rosewood, dark. 3858 is rosewood, medium. And this is 3859, which is rosewood, light. Okay, those are all the colors, guys. What do you think? They're gorgeous, aren't they? All these salmon and sort of pinkish colors and all the blues and the greens. Oh, wow, love them, love them. And all the rosewood. Okay, let's move all of these aside so we can bring down the ABs and the special drills. Oh, and the fairy dust diamonds, yes, of course. Okay, so we have 100 AB, which is like a very pretty green. Okay, and like I mentioned before, AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and it just means it's just a drill with an extra shine to it, extra bling. See, 106 AB. It's like a cream color. And then we have, I believe, let's see, this is the One Fairy Dust Diamonds. It's a pink color. And these are the special drills. So we've got very pretty green, and this one is a very light, like a light pink. Wow, this is so pretty. Okay, let's bring back the painting. All right, let's see where these special drills go, guys. I'm so happy with this one. Oh my God, I just dropped one. Sorry. Okay, let's start with the ABs first, okay? So by looking at the legend, AB 100 is going to be symbol 1. So wherever you see symbol 1, and it's like a light green. Okay, so, okay, right there in her eye. Here's another one in her eye. Let's bring this down. Huh. Well, it's not a lot. If you look at the bag, there's not a lot of ones in there. I mean, for that green. Okay, there's some here on her wing. Anywhere else? Not down here. Not on the leaves. Huh, that's interesting. Okay. All right. So it's going to be on her eyes and some on her wings. All right. And this one is going to be symbol 2. And symbol 2, oh, I see it. There's some here. Some twos on the crown. On her face. Nope. Okay, lots of twos on her wing. On this wing. How about down here? Nope. Okay. Okay, so we've got those two. And now let's bring the Fairy Dust Diamonds. Excuse me. And it's going to be letter E. Lowercase e. Excuse me. And it's going to be here. That light pink on her hair. Wow, it's going to be pretty. Some here. Oh gosh. The cough is back. It's on her hair. Oh, excuse me. Okay. And then the special drills. So this one is going to be 95 and 96. Oh, excuse me. And it's going to be these big ones here. So it's going to be around her. Scattered. Excuse me for a second. Wow, sorry. Sometimes I get this cough. It goes. It's like on and off. And then I get like a cough attack. So I apologize. Okay, so the special drills, like I mentioned before, it's wherever you see 95 and 96, and it's all around her. So she's gonna have this extra sparkle around her. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm very, very happy with this painting. Yeah. So before I let you guys go, I always forget, please subscribe. It really helps my channel, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, I hope you love her as much as I do, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye, and thank you.